even class targeting on the productivity of managers on quick and safe production. Provides the opportunity to use the connectors meandros with or without plug driver. To place the meandros at the bed, we take strain B with the arrow pointing up. We place it to the desired point, where we have pronged the surface, and we bolt the screws. Afterwards, we take strain A, and by the same procedure, we adjust at the top or bottom of the bed respectively. Thereafter, we bolt the screws with the two different dimensions.